Hello, I'm Gerard Pannekoek, President and CEO of the Intellectual Property Exchange International, or IPXI. IPXI is the world's first financial exchange that facilitates non-exclusive licensing and trading of IP rights with market-based pricing and standard terms. Today, I am proud to make three important announcements relevant to IPXI. First, the funding of our US operations by our strategic investment partners. Second, several board appointments. And third, our first founding members. First, we just completed our initial and only planned round of funding for the US market launch of IPXI. Our strategic investors include the Chicago Board Options Exchange, the world's largest options exchange and the leader in product innovation, options, education, and trading volume. Philips Intellectual Property and Standards, a wholly owned subsidiary of Philips, the world leader in healthcare, lifestyle, and lighting. They all join Ocean Tomo as shareholders to the exchange. I'm also pleased to announce today several board appointments. Dick DeVoer, Executive Vice President of the Chicago Board Options Exchange, will be joining the IPXI board. In addition, two of the most respected and innovative professionals in the intellectual property ecosystem are joining IPXI's board. It is my true pleasure to welcome Ruud Peters, Executive Vice President and Chief Intellectual Property Officer of Philips, and Marshall Phelps, former Corporate Vice President, IP Policy and Strategy for Microsoft and Vice President of IP and Licensing for IBM. Marshall and Ruud join Jim Malachowski and Michael Friedman of Ocean Tomo on IPXI's board. IPXI marks the first time where these leading IP strategists will collaborate. The combined insight these thought leaders bring to the exchange is invaluable as we prepare for our start of trading. I am thrilled they have joined our team. Plans are well underway for our anticipated start of trading in 2012. We have commitments from leading corporations and universities to sponsor unit license right contracts having an aggregate targeted market value in excess of $200 million, with numerous additional company and university portfolios in various stages of the submission process. ULR contracts are the initial product to be offered on the exchange. ULR contracts transform private licensing of technology into tradable products, allowing for improved market transparency, accelerated technology transfer, and increased efficiency. ULR contracts enable IP holders to more efficiently monetize patents and other IP brought to the market through non-exclusive licensing, while also allowing ULR contract buyers to access technology at market-established prices. Each ULR contract purchased gives the buyer the right to use the IP offered for a pre-established number of instances. For example, to manufacture and/or sell a defined number of products or services incorporating the claimed technology. Simply stated, ULR contracts will accelerate innovation through more transparent and efficient technology transfer. I'm also pleased to announce one corporate founding member and three university founding members. Joining IPXI as a corporate founding member of the exchange is Philips Intellectual Property and Standards. As a corporate founding member, Philips IP and Standards has committed to sponsor one or more ULR contracts having an aggregate targeted market value of $50 million or more. Founding member status includes a right to be appointed to the IPXI Rules Committee and become a representative voice for a particular industry or market. Joining as university founding members of the exchange are Northwestern University, Rutgers University, and the University of Utah. As university founding members, these three universities have a right to be appointed to the IPXI Rules Committee and have also committed to sponsor ULR contracts on the exchange. Founding membership, available to companies, universities, private and national labs, is open through the start of trading in 2012. Another class, regular membership, is open to companies, universities, private and national laboratories seeking to sponsor or purchase ULR contracts on the exchange. Regular membership does not require a commitment to issue ULR contracts. An additional class of membership is that of associate membership. Any law firm, IP advisor, underwriter, valuation firm, prior art search firm, broker, or other IP or market service provider that will not sponsor or purchase ULR contracts may apply for an IPXI associate membership. IPXI operates under two core principles: transparency and efficiency. IPXI will make patent or other IP rights licensing more transparent through three controlled processes. First, legal analysis. IPXI undertakes internal and external analysis of the quality of every ULR contract candidate submission. This process is designed to create a comfort level for potential purchasers regarding the quality of the offerings. 2. Price discovery and standard terms. Market-based pricing and the terms of all ULR contracts offerings are published and available to all potential purchasers. 3. Consumption reporting. ULR contract purchasers must submit periodic consumption reports to the exchange, which will relay aggregate consumption information to exchange participants. This information and the ULR contract price will be key indicators of the acceptance of the technology in the market, allowing corporate decision makers in R&D and intellectual property asset management to make better decisions regarding resource allocation. IPXI will make the IP licensing process more efficient through the creation of a central marketplace. IPXI is a central marketplace for transacting IP licenses, a point of visibility for licensors and licensees to transfer technology on standardized terms and under community rules. Easy access to technology. IPXI provides easy access to technology for small and larger companies. ULR contracts can be acquired on a production or as-needed basis with reduced legal cost associated with acquiring freedom to operate. Outsourcing of licensing transaction cost. IPXI identifies, evaluates, markets, executes, audits, and provides for a community rules approach to enforcement, when necessary, of high-quality intellectual property licensing transactions through its ULR contract model. Today's intellectual property marketplace needs a paradigm change. Despite evidence of ever-increasing technology licensing and sales, the market for IP continues to suffer from illiquidity, high transaction cost, a lack of price discovery, and other information asymmetries. IPXI seeks to alleviate these challenges by creating an efficient trading platform for buyers and sellers of intellectual property rights. The mission of IPXI is to create a marketplace for a unique portfolio of financial products and services that facilitate investment and risk management in IP assets, helping buyers and sellers to efficiently allocate IP rights. Today's announcement has been made possible only after several years of industry town hall meetings and in-depth working sessions with dozens of leading corporate, university, and laboratory IP owners to assure that the exchange meets the needs of the market participants. And as the IPXI model is proven successful, we believe it will become a driver of innovation by providing companies, universities, and laboratories with better information on which to base R&D allocation decisions, which will in turn drive local, national, and international economic development, a key to job creation. IPXI looks forward to becoming the preeminent marketplace for efficient intellectual property licensing and value discovery. Thank you very much.